Congratulations on all the success in your business. You are crushing it. I wanted to call and congratulate you personally. And yet, I wanted to ask you a question. Are you currently chasing profit or production? So, what I mean by that is, I'd love to share with you the model for a 40% profit margin. This is kind of a glimpse of what the best of the best agents do with this budget model. So, you can kind of look at where you're at with your GCI and get a feel for what your profit margin should be or could be at if you really put the business in your business. And yet, as realtors, we did not get into real estate to be business owners, and yet here we are. So I'd love to share with you a few strategies to help you move that needle to a 40% or greater profit margin of spendable income after you've run your business. And I know you're probably thinking, why in the world would I be willing to help you? You're not even one of my agents. Well, I love building relationships with agents. I love to be a resource, and I'd love to be your plan B if ever you're not getting what you need. And I know the best way of doing that is to help you. So I'd love 15 to 30 minutes of your time. We won't dive too deep, but we'll dive deep enough to what that model looks like so you can run your own numbers. And I can share with you just 2 or 3 strategies that can really, move the needle on your profit. So you're not chasing production, you're chasing the profit that you deserve. So again, I would love 15, 30 minutes of your time. I'm going to keep calling you till you say yes. So let's get together. And worst case scenario, we just become friends in business, and I'd love that. So looking forward to connecting with you.